The Supreme Lord Balaramji exhibited so many transcendental pastimes. One of his pastime, it so happened when the Lord Sri Krishna, he was staying in Dwarka with his 16,108 queens. So Lord Krishna and his dear wife Jambavati, they had a son, and the name of the son was Sambakumar. And it is explained that Sambakumar had an affair with the daughter of Duryodhana. Duryodhana was the king of the Hastinapur, and his daughter's name was Lakshmana. And in fact, Lakshmana, she wanted to marry Sambakumar. So she has sent the messenger, and Sambakumar, he came to Hastinapur, and then he spoke with Duryodhana about the marriage. Duryodhana became very angry, and he started telling some bad words also. He disrespected, and he said, "Oh, you became so impudent and you want to marry my daughter. You people are simple coward man, and I am the king. How do you dare this?" And then saying this, he puts Sambakumar in prison. So when this news came to Hastinapur, from Hastinapur to Dwarka, Lord Sri Krishna, he became very angry, and he asked the army to get ready, and they thought of invading Hastinapur. Meanwhile, Lord Balaramji, he told Lord Sri Krishna, "Please cool down, and I will speak with Duryodhana, and I am sure Duryodhana will definitely know his fault, and he will definitely accept his mistake." And Lord Sri Krishna, he accepted, because Balaramji is elder brother. So Balaramji is left for Hastinapur, and before reaching Hastinapur, Lord Balaramji, he sent two messengers to Duryodhana, and "Please inform Duryodhana that I have come personally, and he must bring Sambakumar and his daughter with great respect and send them to Dwarka for the marriage." But Duryodhana, he was so proud and arrogant, he did not pay attention. And they were preparing to fight, to attack Lord Balaram. So when Lord Balaram came to know that this is the intention of Duryodhana, he became very upset and angry. And then he reached Hastinapur. After reaching Hastinapur, he put his hull, his plough, and then he put in the earth. The earth became divided in two there. And then Lord Balaram started dragging the earth towards ocean. And he declared that today I will take this Hastinapur to the ocean, completely dip it in water, Jal Samadhi, everyone will be underwater. And the whole city started shaking. It was a big earthquake. So everyone started running, everyone became frightened. And Bhishma Pitama, he approached Duryodhana and Dronacharya, everyone, they consulted, and they immediately ran and asked forgiveness. They paid prostrate obeisances, Dandavat Pranam to Sri Balaramji, and asked forgiveness. They said, "Yes, it's our mistake. I am really sorry. Please forgive us, and please, with all my love and all my respect, I am sending my daughter Lakshmana to Dwarka with all the dowry, with all my gifts, precious gifts for the marriage." And this is how then Duryodhana, he made preparations with so many gifts, and his soldiers and servants and maid servants. Then he departed his daughter Lakshmana along with Sambakumar under the protection of Sri Balaramji to Dwarka. So this is how the Supreme Lord Balaram, he exhibits his supreme power at the times, and this is how he was taking the whole city to the ocean. Please like this channel, subscribe and share with your friends. Give them also an opportunity to hear motivational, inspirational talks every day. Thank you. Hare Krishna.